Hello everyone, today we're going to make Malai Paneer Korma. This is a very easy and tasty recipe, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To watch the videos in Hindi, click on the link in the description box below. In a pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom, 2 inch of ginger and 8 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 roughly cut onions, 20 cashews. Saute on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 cups of water. We're going to cover and cook for 15 minutes until the onions soften. I'm adding 1 green chili. If you prefer it more spicy, you can add it as per your taste. In a bowl, add 340 grams of paneer cubes. Adding 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of dried fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of cream. Mix everything together. Set it aside for 15 minutes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated paneer. Cook until both sides are golden. It's been 15 minutes and onions are nice and soft. Drain any excess water out. Remove the bay leaf and the black cardamom. Going to grind this and half cup of yogurt together into a paste. In the same pot, adding 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the onion, ginger, garlic and cashew paste. Cook for a minute or 2. Adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt or add as desired. Now this is going to splutter a lot, so cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Once the gravy is nicely cooked, add half cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything together. Now add the fried paneer. Add water as needed to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Finally, adding half cup of chopped coriander leaves. Our Malai Paneer Korma is ready. To prepare the Rogan or chilli oil, mix 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. To it, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm oil. Mix and drizzle it over the Malai Paneer gravy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.